In John chapter 15 verse 10 says, "If you keep my commands, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commands and remain in His love." Paalala, isang palatandaan ng pagiging Kristiyano ay ang pagsunod kay Kristo. Sumusunod hindi lang dahil madali, sumusunod dahil mahal natin siya at ito ang nararapat gawin. This is the best form of love, being obedient and committed sa misyon na inuutos niya. Doon lang natin maipapakita ang ating love kay God if we follow His command, and that is to love Him and our neighbor. Pero, paano ba ito? Share the gospel and make disciples. Yan ang heart ng ating Panginoon. Ang maligtas, ang sangkatauhan. Amen? At makasama niya sa walang hanggan. Kaya't, if we love God, we will be a part of His mission. Ikaw, do you love God? Do you follow His command? Do you share His love to others? Blessed morning. Shalom everyone. God bless.